Welcome back to Crypto's. Oh shit, that's the wrong intro. Welcome back to iHeart Crypto. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, go down, smash the like button, and let's get right into it. Bitcoin coming in at $42,700. On the macro scale, we still have our green weekly Heikin-Ashi candle. Will we get another one today to continue this uptrend, or will we head down to the $40,000 region to start with before coming back up? I think that we're going to have a string of weekly Heikin-Ashi candles, but first we might go down first until recovering later in the week. There is an emergency Fed meeting today to discuss the Ukraine and Russia debacle, and that can have a lot of effect on the market. But more importantly, for today's purposes, because that's on Monday, for today's purposes, we have the crypto bull. So we're going to talk a little bit about that later in the video, but let's dive into the short-term time frames and see what's going on with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is getting a little bit of a pump right now, up 1.16% right now. Let's see if this goes a little bit higher. If we beat this higher high, I do think that we could be coming back up, maybe to test these previous highs around 43,500. That would be very, very good for the price of crypto. Let's take a look at the overall crypto market. Let's refresh that again. There we go. Okay, so what do we got? We got on the 24-hour here, Bitcoin down 2%, but we got XRP up 7%. Some other ones that are holding strong: Luna, Avalanche, Shiba up 12% today. And you know what this tells me? This tells me that people are FOMOing into crypto because of these crypto ads. I think that we might have a really good day, especially Crypto.com is running a crypto ad today, as well as a couple others, which we will get into. But as of right now, it looks like the market is slightly quiet. It looks like Litecoin is starting to pump, and usually that's a bad sign. To be honest with you, every time Litecoin pumps, Bitcoin usually dumps. So that is it for the overall crypto market. Let's take a look at the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We are still sitting at a 44, and let's just take a look at our 1 month time frame real quick. Looking like a little bit of a dip coming back up. You know, we had this large cluster of fear. We come back up, come back down, kind of to test like this previous high almost, and maybe we'll continue back up. That would be dope. We a lot of green today. A lot of green. XRP, SHIB, Crow, Doge. Look at Doge and SHIB. These are all tokens that are just meant for FOMO. It could be a very, very interesting day today. And my boy Jordan Camarand here. If you don't follow Jordan Camarand or subscribe to his channel on YouTube, go ahead. He's extremely funny. He's a good technical analysis, and his stream is just fantastic. The chat is just bumping. Best chat on crypto YouTube. He said going to do a pre-Super Bowl stream today at 4:30 to 7. We'll see some buy the rumors, sell the news. If Bitcoin, or is it news for Bitcoin or a nothing burger? Bitcoin is a new coin, guys. A little typo, but that's okay. That's okay. By the way, if you look in the description below, you can see our PowerPoint beginner's guide to crypto assets, and it goes through all the fundamentals of crypto. What is circulating supply, Bitcoin halving cycle, some more. We have, how to set up wallets, what altcoins are, staking. It goes through so many things, so many different vocabulary terms, as well as certain acronyms like FOMO, which I was just talking about, fear of missing out, FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, or dollar cost averaging, or HODL, hold on for dear life. It gives you a link to the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, as well as an overview of the market, such as that heat map and crypto bubbles. A couple other charts that are really, really helpful in determining the price of Bitcoin. Some Google search trends. In fact, let's take a look at Google search trends right now and see if crypto is trending. So let's see if crypto has gone up. And we're looking at the past 12 months, but let's just look in the past day. Well, it looks like we have a little bit of a spike. Let's look in the past 7 days. Nothing really major. So, let's see if Bitcoin. Spelled it wrong. Bitcoin, yeah, nothing major. Nothing real major. Yeah, so, that's a interesting sign. It's not a good sign. But these crypto Super Bowl ads feel like pets.com all over again. .com Super Bowl meets crypto bowl. So, they are currently pumping millions of dollars into buying up ad space during Super Bowl. I don't know that number. Oh my god, I don't know what number Super Bowl it is. And Crypto.com, which has been flooding the market with its Matt Damon starring commercials lately, it has a big spot running. Cryptocurrency exchange FTX plans to give away Bitcoin during Super Bowl spot. Coinbase is reportedly running an ad as well. Super Bowl ads 2022, crypto companies are spending millions to win over viewers. So FTX Trading and Crypto.com are among a handful of cryptocurrency-related companies that have spots on the February 13th game. The cost of a 30-second ad costs $6.5 million this year, according to NBC, and that's just a fraction of the overall cost for advertisers. Companies spend millions more on producing movie-quality ads and related marketing campaigns. Advertising for the Super Bowl is no guarantee of success, of course. Take the so-called .com Super Bowl in 2000, when more than a dozen new internet companies like eStamp and Pets.com bought time in the broadcast. To be sure, a few of these companies still remain active, like AutoTrader and WebMD, but others have shut down or otherwise left the scene. And this kind of tells me the overall sentiment of the market. In fact, they kind of think crypto is a bubble. And really, it could be the future. And if it is a bubble, then, like Amazon, then it will come back. Because crypto is not going anywhere. Bitcoin is the best store of value that my generation has ever known. If you held gold, which is also a store of value, you're actually down on your investment over the past 10 years. And with Bitcoin, you're up, I think, about 2 million%. So, nothing has outperformed Bitcoin in the last decade. And I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon. Maybe the demand will go down, but I don't think that it is going to go down anytime soon. It's already down how far from its previous high? So, just taking it from its previous high down, it's already down almost 40%, and it did go down a total of 50% on the last drop. I think that's a good enough sell-off to see some more upside for crypto. Now, here's something interesting. Drake lays down $1.3 million Super Bowl bet in Bitcoin. Sorry. Drake is going all in on the Los Angeles Rams, and he's placing a Super Bowl bet in Bitcoin. The Canadian rapper put down a series of wagers totaling $1.3 million worth of the digital coin on Thursday. I think that was about it for the... Oh, no, I'm sorry. We did have a little bit more. Sorry. Cryptocurrency is expected to take center stage during the Super Bowl. Plenty of companies have reserved ad time on NBC to run crypto-themed commercials, prompting Madison Avenue observers call it the Crypto Bowl. eToro, Crypto.com, and FTX will run commercials during the game, while BitBuy and Canadian Crypto Exchange will be featured in an ad for the Super Bowl's viewing audience north of the border. Americans will bet record $7.6 billion on this year's contest, and this thing has blocked me. According to estimates, that will mark an increase in more than $3.3 billion, or a whopping 78% compared to the previous year. So, we have a lot of things happening for the Crypto Bowl today. And one of the things is I did take a bet. I took a bet on Crypto.com. It looks like it just pumped a lot. Kind of missed that one at this time. But what I did was I put in a little bit of a long. Currently up on it, $10, which is really, really good. I could add a little bit more to this position, but I think we're going to hold it till the beginning of the Super Bowl. And I think it's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news type deal. And I think, and again, like Shiba was pumping just now, and it's probably coming down because Bitcoin is coming down. Yeah, Bitcoin is coming down slightly. So if this oscillates here with a little bit of an uptrend all the way to here, right around this region right here, then I think some take profits could occur. I probably would have taken profits already if I had gotten to that pump. But I kind of missed it. So you know, I don't know what my liquidation price is, but we're going to hold this for the day, see how things go. I got in at 51 cents. It is currently about 51.9, 51.9 cents. And let's see how it goes. That would have been a great, great. I got in right here, right around here. That would have been about a 5%. And what I did was I put it on 5x leverage, which I never do. I never play with leverage, but lately I think that it's a good plan to play with maybe 10, maybe not, maybe like 1, 2. I'm playing with more leverage than I should. Let's just say, you know, your boy is a little bit of a gambler. I'm not gonna lie. It's a terrible, terrible habit because I even added to this account today. You know, I mean, in essence, I have $170 in here, and I do have some more money spread out. Like for example, on Gate.io, we do have, and I don't know if I'm signed in at the moment. I am. Let's see if I can see what I got in here. I do have Secret.com in here, so there's another $88 because in my Uphold account, I do have about $600 per se, so that's $700. And I think that I have some more somewhere else. I know that one is one. Coinbase, I have, I think, like $90, if you will. So, you know, we got 600, 700, 800, and I'm playing with way more leverage than I should be. That is not a good thing. But let's just hope for the best. Let's just hope for the best. I'm up $9 right now on my long position, and let's see how that goes. Crypto.com. Let's see what it's doing still. Looks like it's coming back down pretty well. Right over here. You know, let's see how it goes. This could come back down here to test these highs and then continue back up. It's going to be a very, 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 very interesting day. Let's just say that. It's a very, very exciting deal. You know, if you want to take a bet on that, then you're more than welcome to take a bet. I always bet on the Super Bowl. So this is like my bet on the Super Bowl for the day. And we are doing it with crypto. Hopefully we fund up this trading account right here, you know, and the higher it goes, like the more we have to trade with. But one of the things about your trading account is, I'll show you the little chart we have here. Right here. Let me get myself a little bit smaller so you can see. If it does. There we go. So your long-term wallet should consist of about 70% of your holdings. We are not doing that at the moment. My spot wallet, which we are trading with 20%. So we're close to the amount we should be trading with. And then our cash wallet is about 10%. And I think that those should be a little bit skewed. I think it should be like 15 and 15. But one of the things that you should know that you should do is when you do take profits, you take them into your spot wallet, long-term portfolio, and your cash portfolio. So if we were up $10, we would need $3 more into our spot wallet, $3 more into our long-term portfolio, and $3 more into our cash portfolio. So when you do take profits from these leverage positions, it is important to kind of not diversify, but to allocate into different parts of your portfolio. And it's very, very, very helpful to kind of like build up your long-term portfolio because you're using leverage. I never used leverage before. I kind of like it because I'm very impatient. I mean, and this is a game of patience. You know, right now a lot of people long in crypto.com, 89 versus 13%, you know, are longing right now. Especially right now since it's coming down. People think that they can get back in. Probably going to see a little bit of a liquidation. Look at these little scam wicks right here. I do not. That's for people on 50x leverage. My liquidation price is 42 cents, and I don't think it's coming back down there anytime soon. So I can hold this position. 42 cents is way down here, way below support. So we can hold this. If it does, I will not get liquidated from my entire position. So that is really, really good. So yeah. I think that could be today's video. So, you know, one of the things that we learned today is how to trade into your different wallets. And, you know, if you are trading, you know, $1,000, 5%, you know, $50. You know, you throw leverage on that 5%, you know, you're in pretty good shape, especially when you can trade the market both ways. Right now, there really isn't much of a trade in Bitcoin, being that it is more at support. I mean, it could come up a little bit, but the general trend is down. You know, our trend was going well, but we kind of, you know, we made our way up, you know, hit a high, kind of hit a double top, and now coming back down. Will we get back up to about this high volume node right here? I think it's very possible that today we come up to there, get rejected before coming back down to this trend line right here. Because if you do look on a little bit of the 4 hour here, we do have these two touches, touch, and oof, and yeah. So anyway, I don't want to make this video too boring. We did buy back our e-gold. We did a little bit of a FOMO. Oops. I did have one Elrond in here, and I took profit. What's it called? I took profit on this part right here, this huge pump. I was like, I gotta sell it. I need to take some profit. And you end up buying back in at a higher price because you never know where the price is going to go. So that's just a good lesson for you to have when you're doing your HODL portfolio. You don't touch your HODL portfolio not until 4 or 5 years down the road. So just something to remember. Don't make the same mistakes as me. And yeah, so one last look, see what Bitcoin is doing. I see we were just there, but looks like we're coming back down a little bit. But in general, the trend is up. We have higher lows and higher highs. Well, these are higher highs right here. So we are making higher highs. So that is good for the short term. Let's see how things go. These EMAs are holding the price of Bitcoin right now, and it is above them on the 15-minute, and it is back up into these on the 1 hour, which is a great time frame to trade if you're trading over the next 4 hours. But here, look at on the 4 hour, we did come up and we got rejected on the 21 EMA. That can be a bit of a problem for the price. You know, it might go sideways, but usually when Bitcoin goes sideways, these altcoins kind of get a little bit of a pump. Yeah, we couldn't make the higher high on Crypto.com, but I think that it's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news. I don't think that Crypto.com is coming down today anytime soon. Let's see how it goes, guys. Let's just see how it goes. So that is today's video. If you haven't smashed up the like already, go down now, smash up that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video.